What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Michelle, and on my channel you're gonna find mostly makeup, some nails, some hauls. So if you're into those types of things, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me if you did, and make sure that you ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. Now, with that being said, I wanted to talk to you about IMETHOD Beauty. So IMETHOD Beauty let me pick out one of their products and they sent it over to me. So they let me pick from like a blush. They had a soap eyebrow little thing. I don't do the soap eyebrows. They had an eyebrow stamp, and then they had a winged eyeliner stamp. So I was like, okay, well, I'm pretty decent at doing my eyebrows, or at least I think I like my eyebrows. So I was like, I'm not going to do the stamp, but I really want to try the wing eyeliner stamp because I am terrible with eyeliner. If you've been watching me, you know I do not use a liquid eyeliner. It's for a reason, you guys, because I can't do it. I am very heavy-handed when it comes to things. So by the time I get done, like, the line is so thick, and I already have hooded eyes, so by the time I'm done, it just looks like I have a black eye. So I'm really no good at it. So I was like, you know what? I really want to try the eyeliner. So they said, okay, great. They sent it out to me. As soon as I got it in, I come in here and I probably played with it, I don't know, 2 or 3 times just to kind of figure out the placement because, like I said, I don't do liquid eyeliner. So I'm like, I don't know where your wing is supposed to go and where it's not supposed to go. So I just played around with it a couple times just to see where I liked it better. Once I got it set, I took a picture and I sent it to my sister-in-law, and I was like, this is the eyeliner kit I was telling you about. What do you think? She was like, wow, that actually looks really good. Was it hard to use? And I was like, no, it was super simple to use. She said, okay, well, let me know, what you think about it or whatnot. So I said I will. And then I broke the golden rule. I fell asleep in makeup. I got up the next morning and the eyeliner was still in place. It never moved. It didn't smudge. It wasn't patchy. And I'm a belly sleeper. I sleep on my stomach, so I'm all smushed up on my face when I sleep. And I said, oh, Lord, it's going to be hard to get off because it didn't move at all. And I'm like, usually when makeup don't move, it's pretty hard to get off. So I went in the bathroom and I got out my favorite makeup remover balm. I used the e.l.f. makeup remover balm. That stuff is amazing about getting your makeup off. I rubbed it on and it came right off, no problems. I was like, wow, I thought that was going to be a lot harder because seriously, I just rubbed it a couple times and it was gone. But it didn't move throughout the night. So I was like, okay, this stuff's really good. So I texted her back and was like, hey, it's really good. I slept in it. It still looks great. And it was easy to come off. So I do really love this product. Now, this is what the box looks like here. And in the box, you're going to get 2 eyeliners. This one is marked for the right side. So on one end, you get the wing, and I'm just going to stamp it here on my hand because obviously you're not going to be able to see that on the camera. And then on the other side, you're getting the eyeliner. Now, once this dries, you're not going to be able to move it. And same thing for the left side. They are marked on the cap, left and right, which makes it super simple. Both of them are double-ended, which is awesome. It definitely does not go anywhere, which I love that. It doesn't smudge, smear, or anything. It's going to be so easy to show you guys how to use this. And like I said, I am not a person that uses liquid eyeliner at all. So what I figured out that I like to do is I like to take this side right here, and this is going to be your outside. And I like to kind of line it up with the corner of my eyebrow because I don't like my wing to go out. If it goes out then my eyes look more droopy because I have hooded eyes. So I like the wing to go up a little bit just so my eyes look more lifted and not so droopy, you know, with us hooded eye gals here. So I just like to tilt my head back a little bit, and then I will just stamp it right in place, and you have a wing. I mean, you guys, how easy was that? Like, super easy, right? And this is the part that I really struggle with, is like getting a line across of my eye. But this, I don't know what it is about this one, but it's super easy. And you just draw your line to connect. You don't end up with this big, wide, like chunky line. I mean, granted, a winged liner, you do make it a little wider, but you don't have to go crazy with it. But I mean, like, seriously, guys, do you know how easy that is? Like, that is so easy for an eyeliner. Like, insanely easy. Now, one thing I will say, when you store them, it says to leave them laying flat because, of course, you have liners on both ends. So if you store it one way or the other, it's going to run and one side's going to dry out. So you have to store them flat like this. That is you definitely want to make sure that you do. And I'm just going to do the other side really quick. So again, I'm just going to align this line up with my eyebrow. And then I'm just going to take the other side and align my lash line. Like, really, I love how thin this liner can be. I mean, really, you guys, look at how easy that was. It took me no time to do that, and I literally mean it. I am terrible at liquid liner. I'm awful at it. So for me to be able to do this in like 2 minutes, it's insane. I love it. I definitely want to try more IMETHOD beauty products. I really want to try the eyebrow stamper. Like, I really think that thing is going to be amazing because I love this eyeliner. So I'm going to pop on some Big Mood mascara from e.l.f. and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I got my mascara on and this is what the eyeliner looks like. I mean, I really cannot say enough good things about this eyeliner from IMETHOD Beauty. I really cannot wait to try more of their products. I really want to try that eyebrow stamper now that I've tried this. So I just want to say thank you so much to IMETHOD Beauty for sending me this product because it is a fabulous product. Like I said, I will have everything linked below for you guys so you can go check them out. It's really affordable, so the price, you can't beat it. I mean, it's like 15 bucks plus you get a 10% off coupon. So, but I really love it. I mean, I really would recommend trying it because, like I said, I don't do a liquid eyeliner. I really don't. I know I'm like a repeat, but girl, I don't do liquid eyeliner. I can't do it. I really do struggle with it. It's a real struggle for me. But yeah, I think that this looks so good. I love it. So thank you so much, IMETHOD Beauty. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Do you love it? What do you think it looks like on me? Would you try it? But yeah, if you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.